Welcome, lovelies. Today we are going to be doing two simple appetizers, and this is going to be done by my 6 years old. Please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.
Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to my mommy's channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple recipe.
Thank you so much for watching up to this end. We are done with this simple appetizer recipe. I welcome you all, my new subscribers, and thank you so much for watching. And if you love what you see on this channel, please don't forget to give us a like and you subscribe to our channel. We'd love to see you guys again in our next video. Bye bye.